Today's practice session was inspired by a suggestion for low altitude flying, which I really sucks at. As you notice, I keep bumping the bottom of the drone. I see most of it's in turns, but the guy said fly either in a garage or under a canopy of trees. So I chose this spot right here. This took several times in order to get this footage because I started off trying to fly an ACRO, and for some reason it just did not work. So I said, okay, well, I'll switch to stabilize, and I managed to get some decent footage out of it. This is in Florida, and it's very windy. Change of season. I think the wind's up like 15 miles an hour, but this is a Mobile Light 7. So I guess I get a lot of practice in maneuvering in the wind because this thing's blowing everywhere. Depending on which way you go, you overshoot your target, run into stuff. So after a while I had to adjust my turns and direction. I was taking the drone in order to go with the wind. Earlier I had tried to power loop against the wind. The thing went straight in the ground. But other than that, I enjoyed myself. I think this day I got like 20,000 steps just retrieving the drones. And you see I'm not really going that far. It's just that I had just that many accidents. But I did avoid the trees. Little limbs caught me here and there. Usually I hit the trunk of the trees. After here though, I moved on to some pines, which the limbs were a little higher, and I was able to fly ACRO then. Here we are right here. So I was able to fly ACRO then, but I noticed also that my altitude went way up and had stayed conscious of bringing it back down. But today was successful. This was day one. I'll go out again later tomorrow and practice some more. I've been practicing on the Russian woodpecker. The woodpecker. Matter of fact, Lipov changed the name due to the crisis in Ukraine. So this is my play the tape type thing. See where I messed up, where I can improve. And any suggestions? It's greatly appreciated. Thank you.